Everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm closing up the Balloon Festoon workshop weekend, and as you can see, there's a bunch of fun fold card tutorials on my Create at Robin's House Facebook page. So if you're wanting to know, I believe I simplified them as much as they could possibly be simplified, because that's how I roll. And so I hope you find that helpful. Not a whole lot of new stuff. So we've got our product of the month, Adorable. I've been playing with it. You'll see in a couple slides that I'm gonna do a Cards with Robin about the Wild Bunch because it's so stinking cute and so fast and easy. I mean, they just having the critter on there makes the card. But we got a couple more weeks, week and a half-ish left of June to get the Wild Bunch before it sells out. The stamp sets tend to sell out pretty close after the end of the month. The last chance products. So if you do an online order, be sure to check out the last chance products. This has retiring products, last minute ones, and then there's sale ones, especially as you get to the farther pages, because things tend to be listed in order of newness. So the oldest items would be like page 5 and the newest added would be page 1. And so the older ones, you can get a pretty good deal on some of them. So be sure to check those out. Add a little bit to make your shipping worth it. So this is my story. We're almost halfway through the This Is My Story. I can't believe it's already June. And so we've got 26 prompts by the end of June to add to the story. And so I hope you're having fun with this and using it just as an idea to kick off some of your own scrapbooking layouts. My July crop will be on July 11th. Please RSVP, and I can take Venmo and PayPal. And if you come all the time, of course, credit card. Let me know for sure by July 9th so I can get ready. And I hope to see you there in July. My July workshop, my scrapbooking workshop, is going to be Life in Bloom, which is a very lily of the valley, I believe, and lots of flowers and greens and blues, very, very pretty. And all aflutter, so we've got some butterflies, getting away a little bit from all the flowers and having some fun with butterflies, so that's cool. And so as I said, at least one of my Cards with Robin workshops is going to be using the Wild Bunch. I've got 4 or 5 cards done now, and we'll see what happens, but it's super cute. We added 2 new kits in June, and one of those, the Shaded Petals, I think, yeah, I'll be doing next month. I'll be featuring next month in Let's Kit Together. And so that brings you some flowers so you don't feel bereft. And the paper pumpkin for July is very cool. It's all of them are stair step of some kind, where the card base folds and has a display with a rounded feature to it. And then we've also got a brand new add-on with a circle. I think it is a stitched circle, or at least a dotted circle with some leaves and some flowers and some stems, so very useful. Die cuts to go with the June, July, August, and September die cuts, paper pumpkins. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in July. Happy crafting!